was thinking like, do you know how Civ does it? Like Civ has the AI modifiers.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool, you know.
Yeah, I was thinking of having like an aggro stat.
The frequency of attacking or frequency of retreating.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then you could pass that, or you could put on a data table maybe.
Oh, you want me to put it on the data table? Let's do it.
Another idea I had was maybe we could put in the data table the name of a function that determines like what they do. Does that make sense?
Kind of, yeah.
Like, do you know about the strategy design pattern?
No, I'm not familiar with that.
I was thinking of just making a bunch of functions in the decorator blueprint, and then whoever the AI decides to use will just use that.
Alright. How do you want me to implement that in a data table, if at all?
Give it a name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just function name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing we have to do it necessarily, but that's just a thought.
Okay. Well, I'll just have it as a role right there. Is that cool?
Yeah.
What's it called? Primary function? Is that cool?
Let's call it like a behavior function.
Okay. And then, so right now I have aggro level, fear level, behavior function. Do you want to do like a movement type? So like
sure.
we can have it like a enumeration where it's like maybe the movement type is like aggressive where they charge towards you, tactical where they strafe more, retreating, you know? That sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Which we should notice. And we actually need to know. The player right now does 10 damage at level 1.
Can you rename behavior function to I don't know, behavior mode?
Behavior mode?
Yeah.
Sure.
Or just behavior.
No, it's behavior type, behavior mode.
Okay.
No, it's the behavior mode. Hey, I have it on the data table. Is everything negative or positive for you?
Are you talking about the damage and armor?
Yeah, because did you like invert it or something?
Yeah, it was always negative.
Really? Because on my data table everything's positive, but in general, everything needs to do more damage, right? All the enemies have to do more damage, right? Okay. Maybe also increase the frequency of the enemy attacking. Right now it's 50-50, right?
It should be, yeah.
Let's make it like 80, 70, 75, 25 maybe. That's like the standard.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this on a notepad.
I've been meaning to fix the AI behavior, like when they run up to you and they just stop doing anything.
Oh yeah, and they just look at you.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. So what do we need to add? I'm gonna try to type softly, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Change what? AI aggression to be 75/25 default. Other than that, and then these other changes, right? So in general, things need to do more damage, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what would be like a nice quality of life thing?
What?
Health bar for the enemy.
All right, I can implement that right now. But I'm not gonna put the health value, just the bar, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Because I want to kind of like leave the player. I don't want the player to be able to like gamify min-maxing like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So at level 2, I do 15 damage, which means these guys should be able to do 15 damage at level 2, right? Essentially. So, but because I want them to do more damage than us, they're gonna do quite a bit more. And then I have to go back and look at armor penetration in a bit. And at level 3, it's about the same. Okay. We don't need this armor column anymore, huh? Because it's just health. I'll leave it in for now because I don't want to break anything.
Okay. That's fair.
So at level 3 we can have up to 130 health. So let's raise this up to 130, 110, 150 is okay. Okay, we're gonna run with these numbers, and then I just have to change these penetration values.
Are you on the drive?
Yeah, I'm just editing the spreadsheet. I think I should also reduce the amount of gold you get by like 5. Now let's leave it like that. Let's leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. I think we should increase the standard of the enemies to reflect the reward instead of reducing the reward to reflect the enemy difficulty. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's leave it like that. I think for the glass cannon guys, I'm gonna have higher aggro levels. So do you want the aggro levels to be like a scale of what? Out of 10? A percentage, right?
Yeah, like 0 to 1.
0 to 1? Okay. Does that complement their like fear level? Or defensive level, sorry. No, they're independent.
Wait, what is fear and
Defense, sorry, aggro is going to be the attacking frequency, and the defense is going to be the blocking frequency.
I feel like they should be like Like if you have more of one, you should have less of the other.
Okay. But should it add up to 1? Or not necessarily?
I think we should just have one stat. I think that makes it easier.
So what? Wait. 1 stat?
Yeah, like just aggro or just fear.
Okay. Then I'm gonna remove defense level.
Okay.
Okay, so we have aggro level, movement type, and then behavior mode. Sound good?
Okay. Can you explain what you want movement type again?
Yeah, right now I'm only gonna have 3: scared, rush, and tactical. Scared is going to like run away when they're hit, right? They're more inclined to run away, right? Rush, it's very straightforward. Rush is basically how we have it right now, right? Where they just keep running at the player. And tactical, let's say it's I don't want to say more. Maybe it's proportional to their health, you know. Like if they're lower health, they'll consider running away, you know. If they're higher health, they'll consider attacking more.
Is this something that determines whether or not they attack or block? Because I feel like there might be some overlap.
Then if that's the case, then tactical, maybe they're just utilizing more sidestepping than just moving forward. You know what I mean? Like they're quote unquote right now attempting to dodge. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. This look good?
Yep.
So what's the standard for aggro level? Is it 0.5 or?
I guess we need to figure out what aggro level. Do you want the frequency of their willingness to attack to scale with their health also?
Nah, not right now.
Okay, so just aggro level.
Yeah. So aggro level is defined as the frequency of attacking versus blocking, right? And right now the standard is 75% is attacking, right? And then 25% is blocking, right?
Okay, I like that.
Okay, so that's the baseline, right? So this would this be considered 0.5?
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. I think if you want it to be 75%, just have it as 0.75.
Okay, so we're just gonna have this gonna be the attacking and make it simple, right? So this would be 0.6, and then like this would be standard, right? And this would be like more aggressive. This would be more defensive. This would be more offensive. This would be standard. Does that sound good?
Yeah. I think I'd like for them to be more dramatic. The differences.
Okay. I think tank types should be less aggressive by nature, right? So I'm gonna make this guy like the scared guy. It's gonna be dismal, right? So this is gonna be that. This is gonna be that. This. Is this good enough right now? I think this guy, he's if we classify him as an average person, you know, I think that should be just standard, you know. But then now what I'm thinking is, because they attack less, these guys need a way to win, right? We have to give them more health. For now, right? Before we give them skills, we have to give them more health, right?
Okay, yeah. Cool. I think blocking needs to be better.
For whom?
The person blocking. I think the attacker needs to.
How about we blocking puts the attacker on a like a bigger cooldown.
Yeah. I like that.
Sound good?
Yep.
All right. So, you ready to get to implementing them? I'm gonna make a branch for me for my AI stuff. Actually, let me upload the numbers real quick, and then I'll push to dev, and then I'll make a branch for whatever UI stuff I have to do, and then we can take it from there. Yeah.
Yeah. Did you write that all down?
Yeah. What? Oh yeah. You want me to send it over?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put it on the Discord.
I think before I do anything, I just wanna polish the behavior we have right now.
Okay, that sounds good. So, how about you can do that right now, then on a branch, because you're not going to be touching the stuff, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, sounds good, mate. All right, break.